Sometimes on Instagram, you'll be chatting with so many Instagram AIs. If you're chatting with Instagram AIs, some of the data will be stored in their memory. So afterwards, if you're chatting, this AI will remember that data and give answers according to that. But if you want to delete that memory, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to delete old memories from your Instagram AI chat. For this, open Instagram application. After that, here you can see Message button. Click on this Message button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every Instagram AI chat.
Here you can see every messages, and in that, AI chat will be also there. For example, I'm selecting this Instagram AI chat. After that, above you can see I button. Click on this I button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Memory option. Click on Memory. When you're clicking on that, if any memory is there, you can see that memory here. And if you want to delete that, in my case, now nothing is there. But if you're having any memory, what you need to do is above you can see Manage. Click on that Manage option, and after that you can select whichever memories you want to delete.
And after that, click on Delete, and a pop-up message will come. Click on Delete, and every memories will be deleted. So this way, you can easily delete memory from your Instagram AI chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.